Good morning, everybody. Can you hear the song for this morning? Jingle, Doctor number 9. Well, I woke up, I was feeling so fine, 'cause I went to the doctor and the doctor said, show me the rhythm in your head. Now you have the rhythm in your head. Now we all have the rhythm in our head. Have you been practicing? Doctor Jingle, Doctor number 9. Well, I woke up, I was feeling so fine, 'cause I went to the doctor and the doctor said, show me the rhythm in your hands. Now you have the rhythm in your hands. Now we all have the rhythm in our hands. Good job, Doctor Jingle, Doctor number 9. Well, I woke up, I was feeling so fine, 'cause I went to the doctor and the doctor said, show me the rhythm in your feet. Now you have the rhythm in your feet. Now we all have the rhythm in our feet. Good job, you guys are doing so good. Good. Jingle, Doctor number 9. Well, I woke up, I was feeling so fine, 'cause I went to the doctor and the doctor said, show me the rhythm in your hips. Hot dog, now you have the rhythm in your hips. Hot dog, now we all have the rhythm in our hips. Hot dog. Uh-oh, now it's gonna get harder. Remember, we have to do all of them. Are you ready? Doctor number 9. Well, I woke up, I was feeling so fine, 'cause I went to the doctor and the doctor said, show me the rhythm everywhere. Stomp your feet. Hot dog. Now. Hot dog. Now we all have the rhythm everywhere. Stomp your feet. Hot dog. Good job. And welcome. Today, let's find out what day it is today. So we're going to go to the calendar. And let's see. Oh, what do we have to do? We have to count the numbers. So we are starting with number 1. That's right. Okay, are you ready to help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You guys are doing so good helping me count. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's a lot of numbers we have on our calendar. Okay, here goes my finger all the way up to find out what day it is today. I found it. Let's take a look and see. The first letter is a W. W. Wednesday today. It's a Wednesday. Do you remember what the name is of the month? It starts with the letter M. What is that name of the month? It's March. Nice job. So it is Wednesday, March 25th. Good job. And today I brought Mr. Crocodile to the classroom because we have to practice our letters even if we're at home. So we are going to learn about 3 new letters in the alphabet, and the first one we have to find out because the crocodile was very hungry again. So I brought Miss Gina with me today, and she is going to dare to stick her hand inside the crocodile's mouth. Are you ready? Crocodile, crocodile down by the lake, let's see what letter you ate. I wonder what letter he ate. Whoa, it's the letter S. So the letter S, and what animal do we see on there? That's right, it's a snake. I already hear some friends say it. Snake. And his name is Sammy Snake. And the sound of snake is S. So you're gonna go make a snake with your hand like that. You make the snake move with your hand, and then you say, Sammy Snake. Good job. But that's not the only letter that is inside the crocodile's mouth. So let's see. Miss Dina, are you afraid of those sharp teeth? Let's see. Oh, she's going to try it. Let's see what other letter he ate. Let's see, what other letter did the crocodile eat today? Oh, do you know that letter, boys and girls? That's right. It's the letter T. And it's a tiger, and he is going to make the T with his arms. Timothy Tiger is his name. Timothy Tiger. Good job. But there's still one more letter inside the crocodile's mouth, so Miss Dina has to go again. Oh, be careful, Miss Dina. Oh, she got it. Let's see. This is, who knows that letter? That's right, it's the letter U. And it's umbrella bird. Now, this one is a little tricky because we have to stand up and we have to make with one hand an umbrella on top of our head. Did you get it? And then we make a bird wing with our other hand, and then we go umbrella bird. Good job. So those are the 3 letters that we are practicing this week. And guess what? We will mail your moms and dads some homework so that you can practice writing the letters. And then hopefully when we see each other soon again, save all your homework so I can see how much work you have been doing on your letters. I will see you again tomorrow for story time. Have a wonderful day.